let's see how to download the thermal printer driver for Windows. You can easily get the driver link by scanning the QR code on the back of the printer. Simply scan the code and follow the link to access the driver. Alternatively, you can visit printernoble.com by typing the website address into your browser. Once on the website, go to the Apps and Help section, scroll down, and find your printer series name. Click Read More, and you'll find everything you need, including the Windows driver, Mac driver, mobile app, and user manual. Now, let's download the Windows driver. Click the Download button and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, locate the driver in your Downloads folder. If the file is zipped, extract it, then double-click the .exe file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts. Click Next, then Install, and finally finish. The installer will open automatically once the installation is complete. Next, connect your printer to your PC using a USB cable. You can configure your printer via both USB and Wi-Fi, but let's start with USB. First, select USB and click Search. The printer name will appear. Select the printer name and click Next. Click Next on the pop-up window. Then click Install, and finally click Finish. Your USB configuration is now complete. You can now print anything from your PC using the thermal printer. Alternatively, you can configure your printer via Wi-Fi and print wirelessly. Make sure your printer is connected to the PC via USB cable. In the Grozziie installer, select Auto and click Search. Once the printer name appears, select it and click Next. Then, select your Wi-Fi network, enter the Wi-Fi password, and click Next. The printer will turn off automatically. Turn it back on, and you'll see the printer configuration success pop up. Now, you can print wirelessly via Wi-Fi with your printer. Simply select the printer name and print anything you want.